Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure effective feedback with Lang-8 easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To secure effective feedback with Lang-8, start by creating an account on the platform. Visit the Lang-8 website and select the option to sign up. Fill in the required details, including your email address and password. Once your account is set up, you can log in to access your dashboard. Next, navigate to the area where you can submit your writing. Choose the language you are studying and the language you are fluent in. Prepare a piece of writing that you want feedback on. Keep your writing concise and clear to facilitate better feedback. After composing your text, paste it into the designated area on Lang-8. Select the appropriate category for your writing, such as a diary entry or a specific topic. Click the Submit button to post your writing for others to review. While waiting for feedback, engage with other users' writings. Read and comment on other submissions to build connections within the community. Once feedback begins to come in, review the corrections and suggestions carefully. Take note of common mistakes or recurring themes in the feedback you receive. Use this feedback to revise your writing and strengthen your language skills. Consider posting subsequent pieces to track your progress over time. Join discussions in the forums for additional tips and support from fellow learners. Keep practicing regularly to enhance your proficiency and gain more feedback. By actively participating on Lang-8, you will create a supportive learning environment. This process will help you gain confidence and improve your language abilities effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.